Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's revolutionizing the way we connect, the powerful combination of cellular IoT and satellite technology. Let's explore how these technologies are coming together to create a seamless, interconnected world. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Let's first break down what we mean by cellular IoT. Essentially, it's about connecting everyday devices to the internet using cellular networks. Think of your smart thermostat, wearable fitness tracker, or even fleet management systems. These devices use cellular networks to send and receive data, enabling real-time monitoring and control. Cellular IoT operates on the same networks that our smartphones use, leveraging existing infrastructure like 4G and 5G towers. This means IoT devices can benefit from widespread coverage, high data rates, and low latency. But there's a catch. These networks don't cover every corner of the globe. That's where satellite technology comes in. Satellites orbit the Earth and provide global coverage, especially in areas where traditional cellular networks can't reach. They're crucial for remote locations, maritime communications, and disaster recovery. So what happens when we combine these two technologies? We get a connectivity solution that's robust, reliable, and truly global. This synergy is opening up incredible possibilities for industries and everyday life. For instance, in urban areas, cellular IoT can handle dense, high-traffic data environments. Meanwhile, in rural or remote locations, satellites can provide the necessary coverage where cellular networks are sparse or non-existent. Let's look at some real-world applications. In agriculture, smart sensors can monitor soil moisture and weather conditions, ensuring optimal crop growth. Logistics companies can track their fleets in real time, no matter where they are. In healthcare, remote monitoring devices can transmit patient data from isolated areas to urban hospitals. Environmental monitoring systems can track climate changes and natural disasters, providing critical data for timely interventions. The benefits are clear: enhanced coverage, increased reliability, and the ability to operate in challenging environments. But how does this actually work? Let's break it down. Cellular IoT devices typically connect to the nearest cellular tower, but when they move out of range, a satellite takes over, ensuring continuous connectivity. This seamless handoff is made possible by advanced communication protocols and hybrid modems designed to switch between networks without interruption. A hybrid modem is a key component in this system. It's capable of connecting to both cellular and satellite networks. These modems use algorithms to determine the best available network, ensuring your devices stay connected, whether you're in the heart of a city or the middle of the ocean. The integration of cellular IoT and satellite technology is a game changer. We're seeing advancements in hybrid network solutions that intelligently manage connections, ensuring devices are always connected, whether through cellular towers or satellites. This is particularly important for critical applications like emergency response and remote asset management. This technology isn't just for large corporations. It's also becoming accessible for small businesses and even individual consumers. Imagine having a smart home system that remains connected, even during a natural disaster, thanks to satellite backup. So, there you have it. The exciting world of cellular IoT and satellite technology. This combination is not just enhancing connectivity, but also paving the way for innovations that will shape our future. To see the combined power of satellite and cellular yourself, be sure to check out the Starlink bundles in our store. Thanks for watching.